Hey there, fellow aspiring filmmakers and videography enthusiasts. Hey look, welcome to my channel, where we'll be exploring all things video making, right? I'm your friendly neighborhood videographer, and I'm here to help you level up your videography game. So whether you're shooting with your smartphone or a professional camera, whether you're a beginner or you're a seasoned pro, I'll be sharing my tried and tested techniques, nifty tricks, and insider tips. And guess what? I'll even be showing you how to create jaw-dropping thumbnails with free products. That's right, you don't need a big budget to make killer thumbnails that'll attract more eyeballs to your videos. Plus, I'll be giving you honest and in-depth equipment reviews so you know exactly what gear is worth your hard-earned cash and what's just hype. So whether you're a vlogging newbie or a seasoned content creator, join me in this epic videography adventure and let's make some magic together. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the action. Now let's dive into the world of video making and let's rock it out. See you in the next video.